What's up guys, iLollyStyle here with a new Airsoft gameplay video. I'm playing capture flag, more bowling cone capture, but it's fun gameplay. So I hope you enjoy the gameplay because it's gonna be fun and rushing with some nice kills. So the enemy know my position, so I was trying to relocate and trying to push from another angle or direction. So I have a chance to get the bowling cone because our team was so stuck on the spawn. So I was actually the first person that get through the middle fields. So I'm just hoping now there's a guy come to me, I can bang him, then I can rush. So the enemy didn't expect that, like in a front rush. So yeah, let's hope for the best.
Bang.
Okay, nice. My plan succeeds. And let's all go on with my awesome rush.
Loop. Bang. Bang. Because it's another kill dan. Then die tail respawn. Oh ja, ja. Eerst dat tail respawnen. Ja. Voor en. Dat tail respawn. Nou jongens, doe normaal. En dan zal het goed jong. Oh nee, voor de tas. Oh ja. Ik ben sneaker. Ik ben sneaker.
Okay, nice. So that game mode we won the bowling cone slash capture the flag. We're winning that round because my teammates took 2 of the bowling cones at once as me, so that's like 3-0, it's like straight away. So a little bit later on, the game mode was finished and we won that game. So now we're stuck at the spawn because yeah, the enemies were very strong and defending their side of the field. Me and my friend Jorgo gonna try now to push on the right side to make an opening in the field for the rest of our team to conquer back what is ours. But yeah, it's gonna take a while because the enemy was very strong today and they had like most of the time the entire field captured. So for us it was hard to push, but me and my teammates sometimes get through, so it was nice. So after sitting and fire back to the same enemy over and over again, I was hoping that I can kill the enemy or that one of my other teammates can kill the enemy, that I can push through the bus when I want to get like back rape the enemies from the right side. So I'm still waiting and hoping that I can get the kill. At this moment I know my teammate was like backing up my back and I'm going for the push through the bus. So I hope this will work, this plan, to get the enemies from behind. Probably they don't expect this.
Bang, bang. Hallo. Bang.
Okay guys, it was the end of the rush. I get killed from behind, my mistake. I didn't saw the third guy, so hope you like the video. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you next time.
Yeah.